So this is going to be a review of the DeWalt 3-piece screw extractor set. I've got several different types of screws that are stripped out, and so we're going to see how effective this is going to be. I picked up this set at Home Depot for about $16, and unfortunately you can't buy it on Amazon right now. So you can see it comes in this plastic package. It does not come with its own case, so you're going to have to deal with these loose bits and trying to keep them together. So this comes with 3 different bits. They vary in size. They're labeled number 1, 2, and 3. Obviously the smaller one is for smaller screws. The larger one is for larger. However, this doesn't come with any instructions. So you just have to know how to use it and know which one to use just based on the screw size. So each bit has 2 different sides to it. So it has a drill out side that's going to drill the hole into the screw you're trying to remove. And then it has the extraction side. This is what's going to go into that hole and then hopefully remove the screw that's stripped. I'm going to try to remove this first one, which is a larger head screw. So I'm going to just go ahead and start with the largest number 3 bit that it comes with. You're going to use your drill. You're going to chuck it up. And here's the key. Make sure your drill is on reverse when you're drilling this screw out. Okay? So you can see that I've got the drill out side pointing out. That's what I'm going to start with. I've got my drill on reverse. And I'm going to try to go in at a 90-degree angle. Alright, so I drilled out the hole. And at first I could feel the resistance in there, and then it became smooth. So that's how I know that pretty much just drilled out what it's going to drill out. So now the extraction side, I'm going to unchuck my bit, flip it over. This will obviously still be on the reverse because you're reversing the screw out. Push it down into the hole. Let's see if it works. So you can see that this grips pretty good with this size bit. Alright, so now I'm going to try to drill out these smaller screws. I'm going to start with the smallest bit. And I'm going to do that because one of the tricks is that if you use this small bit and then you drill it out and you try to extract it and it doesn't work, most people assume that these types of screw extraction systems are garbage. But there's a little secret, right? So you use the smallest bit, drill it out, and then you go one size up and use the extraction side of that. And you can even tap it and hammer it in to really drive it in there. That's always worked for me. So I'm going to change out my bit. That was the number 3 I was using. So I'm going to go to the number 1, make sure it's on the drill outside. Make sure my drill is on reverse. You know, and this is a soft wood, so this isn't the best example of like a true stripped out screw that's really embedded in some like old hardwood or something like that. But this should still give you an idea of whether it's going to work and how to use it. Alright, so I've got my drill set in reverse. I'm going to drill out. This screw is actually at an angle, so I'm going to try to match that angle as I drill it out. Now I'm going to flip it over, tighten my chuck up, and see if this size extracts it. So that's not working. That's just spinning around. So let's test the trick of going at one size. So here's the number 2. I'm going to use the extraction side. I'm going to tighten it up. I'm going to really work it in there, putting a lot of pressure. So that didn't work either. So I'm going to go to drill size, the drill bit number 2, and I'm going to drill it out again. See what happens. Okay. Put it over. There it goes. So that worked when I used the drill bit number 2 to drill it out, and then use the extraction side of this. So for the rest of these, I'm just going to keep this drill bit number 2 in here and try to remove it using those. I'm going to flip it over to my drill out side, tighten it up, go ahead and drill out all 4 of these screws. Also, this is a square head screw. It should still work. So now I'm going to flip it over, tighten it up, see if I can remove all of these. That one comes up. So it didn't remove the middle one. Let's see about the square head. Took the square head out. Alright, so now I've got one screw left that won't come out. I'm going to try to drill it out with the number 3 bit. So this screw doesn't want to come out. I've used every size, every combination of size, and I can't get it to come out. So maybe this doesn't work all the time, but it should work most of the time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.